Hey ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amber. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you're new, and please make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Ladies, I want you to go ahead and grab your friend for tonight's video and join us for tonight's drink. I have here my good friend Angeles, and she's going to be helping me with tonight's drink. Tonight's cocktail we're going to be making is called The Last Word. But before we get into that, there's going to be some advice that I would like to share. Ladies, be who you are and not who social media wants you to be. We're all beautiful and unique in our own way, and that's what makes us stand out. So girl, own your confidence. Angeles, is there any advice that you would like to share?
Honestly, that's the advice that I was trying to give. Like, be yourself.
Yes.
Because there's no one like you. There's no one ever going to be like you. There's nothing to compare. Don't compete with other women.
Right.
Because there's no competition. You are a badass bitch.
Yes, she said that. She said that. So, now that's all said, I want you to go and grab that outfit that make you feel confident and meet me right back here in this kitchen. But before you go, there's going to be a few items you'll need for tonight's drink. Angeles, you want to tell them what they're going to need?
So, first things first, you want to start off with a gin of your choice. Today we have Bombay Sapphire. Next thing is going to be green chartreuse. This is very important to this cocktail, so you have to grab this one. Next is going to be the Luxardo Maraschino liqueur and fresh lime juice. It is very important that you have fresh lime juice because it will make this cocktail truly pop.
Yes.
And then lastly, we're gonna have our maraschino cherries, which is very, very important because it's a cute little garnish and it goes right on top of your drink.
So, go ahead and put on that outfit. We'll be waiting. Great, you're back, and dang girl, you look good. Don't you look good?
She looks so good!
Yes, yes. So, I'm gonna go ahead and set the mood. I'm gonna go ahead and light my candles. So, Angeles, what are some things that you like to do to set the mood?
Honestly, I like to play some really sexy, soulful music. Anything by Ari Lennox always gets me.
Okay,
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
So just play some music. I like to make sure my makeup's done, my hair and my nails. Even if it's in the process, I like to take my time doing that and feeling sexy and listening to something that's gonna make me fucking,
Yes.
make me want to dance, you
Yes.
know? And I'm definitely down for all of that. So that's what makes me feel sexy. That's what gets me in the mood. Lighting candles, lighting smelly, nice smelling things,
Yeah.
and then, take a shot of whiskey every now and then.
You heard her. So we're gonna go ahead and get to this drink. So I'm gonna take my mixer and I'm gonna fill it with ice. We got our ice. We got our ice. Then what are we taking? 2 ounces of maraschino liquor. 2 ounces of green chartreuse. 2 ounces of gin. And 2 ounces of fresh lime juice.
I'm excited.
Yes. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good shake.
Shake up all of that, girl.
Yes.
Just shake it up.
So we're gonna take our glasses.
That's a perfect color.
Yes. Then we're gonna take our cocktail cherries. Put one here. And one here. And there you have it, the last word. Cheers.
Cheers.
Super delicious.
Yeah, that's perfect. It's velvety, it's sweet, it has everything you need, it's citrusy. It genuinely really pops. And
Yes.
it's something different from your regular cocktails. So when you ask for this at a bar, you're really gonna not only impress the bartender, you're gonna impress your dates. So
Yes.
I love that.
See you later, ladies. Well, ladies, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.